Hey guys, this is about my two dogs, Venus, that's Venus, and that's Kojax. They're my two loving beagles. So he is 4 years old, and she is 5 years old. We got her from a breeder, and we got him from shelter. He's really dumb, but she's smart. We nicknamed Kojax Dumbo, and her Smarty Pants. So yeah. But I really like him too, and her. So yeah, let's take a better look at them. Oh, aww, isn't that cute? Oh well, yeah. Venus and Kojax. Remember that, okay? Okay. Signing out. Remember my two dogs. They're loving and endearing. Kojax and Venus. Okay. Signing out. Venus Kojax / Machine Feel. Remember to subscribe. Okay. Bye.